Are we really returning the big blender?
Yes, it is way too big for our kitchen.
You were so excited to buy it.
I know, it looked great in the store.
We only used it once.
And it smelled hot when I ran it.
It did, like something was burning.
A little puff of smoke, too.
Do you have the receipt?
No paper one. I threw it out.
I have the email receipt on my phone.
Good. We might need it.
Our old coffee maker died last week, remember?
Right. Maybe we find one while we are here.
Let's just return this first.
To the customer service desk.
Hi, I would like to return this blender.
Sure. Do you have your receipt?
Only an email one, and I opened the box.
That is okay. Let me scan the model number.
Is there a problem with an opened box?
Actually, this blender was recalled last month.
Recalled. What does that mean?
It can overheat. That is a safety issue.
So that is why it smelled hot.
Yes, you should stop using it right away.
We already did. It is all yours.
For a recall, you get a full refund.
Even without the paper receipt?
No receipt needed for a recall.
That is a relief.
And here is a $20 card for the trouble.
A full refund and a gift card. Not bad.
Let's use it on a new coffee maker.
Good idea. Ours is broken.
The coffee makers are this way.
Look at all the choices.
This big espresso machine looks amazing.
It is huge and expensive.
But it makes 10 kinds of coffee.
We just want a simple cup in the morning.
You are right. Nothing too big this time.
Here is a simple one, just what we need.
This is the lost box on the shelf.
Grab that box. Let's go Kay.
The gift card should cover most of it.
Off to the register. Hi, just this coffee maker, please.
Sure. This box feels very light.
Light? It should have the machine inside.
Let me open it and check.
The box is empty.
Ah, this is the display box. It is just for show.
So the machine is the display model?
Yes, the demo one out on the shelf.
Is that the only one left?
It is, and the display model is 30% off.
Why 30% off?
Because it is the floor model, not sealed new.
That is still a good deal.
With your gift card, you pay just a little.
Great. We will take the display one.
Here you go. Enjoy the coffee maker.
What a lucky trip that was.
We returned a blender that could overheat.
And we got all our money back.
Plus a $20 card for the trouble.
We used the card on the new coffee maker.
The display one, 30% off.
So it barely cost us anything.
The gift card covered most of it.
All because you bought that giant blender.
It worked out this time.
Next time, though, no impulse buys.
No promises, but I will think first.
Let's go home and try the coffee maker.
Home at last. Let's set up the coffee maker.
It is small. It fits right on the counter.
Fill the water. Add the coffee.
Press one button. So simple.
I hear it brewing.
And it smells like coffee.
Not like something burning.
This one we are keeping.
No returns for this little guy.
2 cups coming up.